So hey guys, another recall just came out, but this one's a little different. This one's pretty bad, and so bad that the manufacturer just issued a stop sell on these. And that's exactly what it is. They can't sell these vehicles until the recall's fixed on any vehicles they have on their lots. So it's kind of an important one I want to bring to you, especially since the manufacturer deems it so serious that they won't sell anymore. So let me go ahead and get into exactly what just got released. Like I said, this is a pretty major one. Anytime a company does a stop sell, that's how serious it is. They don't want anybody driving them. They don't want to sell you anymore just because of the lawsuits that could come because of it. So this new recall is from Chevrolet, and it affects all 2023 to 2025 Corvette Z06 and 2025 to 2026 Corvette ZR1. So again, definitely a specialty vehicle, especially the ZR1. And here's what the issue is, and it has to do with fuel spillage while you're putting gas in your vehicle. So they're stating that excess fuel spillage during refueling can lead to a leak on the left side radiator, and that could definitely ignite into a fire. So like I said, anytime there's this stop sell, it is a major issue. You guys want to take it serious if you have one of these vehicles. And the only issue right now is GM doesn't have a fix for it as of when this video was posted. But it does state that GM is planning to install a shield that would divert any spilled fuel away from this left radiator, so it would minimize the chance of a fire. So it'll be interesting to see if this is like a temporary fix, because it sounds like the shield that they're going to install that would divert fuel in case of a spill is kind of a temporary fix until they can figure out how to rework this. I would say the best word of advice, if you have one of these vehicles, is when you're refueling, just do a visual check and make sure there's nothing leaking down that could potentially start a fire. And since this is a known issue, and like I said, when they issue a stop sell, it's that serious. It's something that they know is a problem, and they're trying to fix it, but they don't have the fix yet. So the recall is hit again. If you guys do have one of these, this one's going to be a pretty major one. It's the 2023 to 2025 Z06 and then the 25 to 26 ZR1 model. Those are the only ones included. You might want to call your local dealer and see if they have any updates, because there's no information as far as like what the recall is or when they're going to send out letters or nothing like that, because they don't have a fix yet for it. But then it does state that they are planning to install shields to divert any spilled fuel. So again, if I had one of those vehicles, I would definitely want to get that shield in place, just because the last thing you want is some chance of fire if you go park your car and it ignites like that. And back in the day, that would be more of a far-fetched thing, but nowadays you see crazy things happen with these recalls and how the cars are built now. So again, I want to keep you guys informed. So if you guys know somebody with one of these, or you own one yourself, I would definitely call your local dealer and talk to them and see what you guys can do, and if they are installing those diverters right now. And like I said, this came out about a month ago. It shows August 22nd, so just a day over a month this came out. So hopefully there's something in the works to get you guys fixed up. And if nothing else, like I said, I would just do visual inspections when you fill up and make sure there's nothing leaking down under your car or onto the panel below, anything like that, something that you can maybe wipe up until there's an actual fix in place. So if you're looking to buy one of these, you won't be able to buy one because nobody can legally sell it to you right now until there's an actual fix. So usually when that's the case, they get a fix out ASAP so they can start selling these units as well. So again, I'll keep you guys informed if I find out anything new on this. But again, spread the word if you know somebody with one of these vehicles so they can be safe as well. So hope everyone's having a good day out there, staying safe. Again, as always, any questions, comments, leave them below. I'll get right back to you, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks again, everybody.